I go for outing to nearby trail and uh,
ओपन-एंडेड आंसर मत छोड़ा करो, ट्राई टू कंप्लीट इट, ठीक है? क्लियर?
yes.
अभी जैसे आप आंसर दे रहे हो ना, वो बहुत ओपन एंडेड से हैं, सो डोंट लीव योर आंसर्स ओपन एंडेड, जस्ट ट्राई टू कंप्लीट द आंसर. Next question is, which birthdays are the most important ones in your country?
Like in my country in India, the most famous birthdays are of the famous person or who achieve something in their life, like uh, mm, uh, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru or the former president APJ Abdul Kalam. I think these are the personalities which are very famous in my country, and their birthdays are also celebrated as a special day.
You could have talked about your gurus also. Their birthdays are also celebrated in. So you could have talked about that also. Do you think children should celebrate their birthday with a party?
I think that children should celebrate their birthday with their parents, and
Hmm.
also they should invite their friends to their home with the guidance or the permission of their parents.
Okay. Let's talk about dreams now. Do you often have dreams when you sleep?
Yes, I think that everyone get dreams while sleeping. I also get lots of dreams while sleeping. Uh, so many are related to my daily life, and some of them are related to my uh, job later.
Okay. Do you usually remember your dreams?
Not all dreams I remember, but some of them when I wake up, I remember some of them in the morning.
Okay. Next is, do you think dreams are important to remember?
Uh, I don't think so, but there are some dreams that are related to your passion. I think those dreams are important to remember, which because they motivate you to achieve something in the life.
Okay. Do you ever have daydream?
Ye- Uh, yes, like something while I on my job. When I am on the job, while driving truck, like so I get so many dreams with the open eyes. Also, इसमें क्या है और क्या कर सकता हूँ?
What kinds of daydreams do you usually have?
Like uh, many of the dreams are related to my passion
Hmm.
or like to get something in life, like to to get my dream car or a house here.
Hmm.
Uh, Most of them are related to my daily needs.
Work. Okay. So now I'll give you a cue card, and you'll have 1 minute to prepare for it, and check your chat box. And your time starts now. Yeah, please stop writing. Please start speaking now. Your time starts now.
Uh, in my daily life, I am uh, in my daily life I'm very busy uh, in my work at my work. I remember that uh, last month my I got a chance to meet my friend Rajan after a long time. However, he's very uh, healthy and a gym lover person. Uh, when he saw me outside the gym, he he was very conscious about my health because I was getting very obese. So he advised me to do intermediate fasting and give some and give me some diet plan to lose my weight in the coming future. Uh, I followed his advice very well and do uh, 16 uh, 16 by 8 intermediate fasting uh, in a day. I follow his diet plan. In his diet plan, uh, he asked me uh, eat the balanced diet, like in the morning to eat fruits and take midday meal, and in the afternoon to take some more calorie food. I I think that this with his advice, I am able to achieve a healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, the big improvement I see in my life, like I lose 10 kg of weight in a month. So
Stop, stop, stop.
this this lifestyle,
Your time's up. Let me ask you some follow-up questions related to your part two. Do women pay more attention to their health than men?
I think that both are very women and men are very health conscious, but at some point, women are more conscious because they उसमें क्या मैं दोबारा बोल सकता हूँ?
Sorry.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, you can.
Yeah, I
So, do
think
you want
that
me to repeat?
yes,
Oh,
yes.
do you want me to
I
repeat the
think
question?
yes, yes.
Okay. So, do women pay more attention to their health than men?
I think that in today's world, both men and women are working to get the food on table. So it's very important for both to get healthy. So I don't think women are more health conscious. In today's world, they are both very health conscious.
Could governments do more to promote healthier lifestyle options?
Yes, it's a responsibility of a person as well as also for the government to promote the healthy lifestyle. Like government can run more programs or can conduct Commonwealth or state level or district level games to promote children and younger to get a healthy lifestyle.
Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older? What do old people in your country do to keep fit?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older? And what do old people in your country do to keep fit?
Yes, I think that most of the people are worried about their health as they are getting older because in the old age, uh, we we should have to take care of ourselves. So, like in our